Welcome to the AMIT Center, Jefferson Community and Technical College's Advanced Manufacturing and Information Technology Center, our newest technical education facility.
The AMIT Center is just beautiful. It's a two-story building. The bottom floor is dedicated to advanced manufacturing, and the top floor is the IT. It's the AM and the IT.
Our cutting-edge machine shop teaches the skills you need for the high-wage, in-demand occupations out there. Learn to take a steel rod and turn it into just about anything imaginable. We have both manual machining equipment as well as state-of-the-art computer-controlled CNC machines using student-designed CAD projects.
Our goal here is to essentially have more time being spent out in the shop, hands-on on the equipment, so that way that it translates directly when they go out to our employer partners. How we do this is by having equipment that is at the standard or ahead of the standard of our industry partners.
Our Industrial Skills Lab teaches basic wiring, how to troubleshoot control systems, hydraulic plumbing, and pneumatic systems, as well as programming robotics. You can get an internship after just a few classes, and most students will have a job ready before they even graduate.
We're going through what would be called a multi-craft experience. In other words, they're going to take electrical classes, mechanical classes, classes involving pneumatics and hydraulics, robotics, all combined into making them a multi-craft technician.
The BIT 502 program is our premier pathway to an IT career. Learn to build apps, programming, and mobile development. Whether you're interested in information security or network administration, Jefferson has you covered.
So BIT 502 is a work and earn program. Students will be hired by a sponsoring employer, work for them for 4 days a week. You're actually on a production team doing what you're studying. Instead of just a single semester like most co-ops, it is a 2-year program. And students will earn their associate's degree in CIT while they're here and building valuable experience in the field.
In the AMIT Center Welding Lab, you can use the latest equipment to join, surface, or repair metal as well. Learn MIG and TIG welding systems to prepare you to become a certified welder. Discover materials and techniques for work in many industries as a specialist in one of the most highly paid skilled trades.
Welding is a really unique field in that students can go a lot of different directions. So you have students who go and weld on the pipeline. Students sometimes end up being the people who create those big wrought iron fences with really intricate details. Welding is so broad that anyone can specialize in something if they really take to it. At Jefferson, students are really well prepared to enter the workforce because they're learning how to troubleshoot their problems. So not only are they learning the different components of machinery, but they're learning how to identify different variables that when they go wrong, they can isolate them in order to fix the problem.
One great thing about the AMIT Center is that it's all here. So we have this nice facility, advanced manufacturing, but in one building we have robotic arms, we have programmable controllers, we have basic AC/DC trainers, we have hydraulics trainers, pneumatics trainers, motors, motor control systems. All that's in one place. There's all kinds of skills that can be gained. It's a fantastic opportunity for students.
Jefferson opens doors for our students because we take students from every background, every field of interest, every economic status, and gives them an equal opportunity to succeed and reach their highest potential.
At our AMIT Center, we have the technology and the tools to prepare you for the in-demand jobs of today. Let Jefferson open the door to your future high-tech career dreams and enroll now.